Hello everyone, this is Madiha from STEM Academy, and today I'm back with another unboxing video of our STEM kits. So like I have shown you this in my previous unboxing videos, that the STEM kit looks like this. In one STEM kit there is one STEM challenge, so and no instructions are given, so students have to complete the challenge themselves, and they have to be very creative, and they have to think the solution themselves. So in this one, when you open the box, it looks like this, and first of all you will be able to see this pamphlet. So the name for the activity is this drawing robot. So in this one, first of all the challenge will be given, what is the challenge in this activity, and then all the materials are listed down over here. So these materials are present inside the box, and some materials that you might need from home, like scissors, tape, these kind of things you can take from home, but all the other main materials will be given inside the STEM kit. When you open to the next page, over here we have some background knowledge and some science concepts and knowledge involved in this activity. This is the activity related with electronics. So in this one you will be able to get some information about open circuit and closed circuit, and how you can make a very simple circuit using a DC motor and batteries. And then we have a note here that it's a STEM activity or a STEM project, so it's okay if in the first attempt you're not able to do the project really well, so you can try again and make it better. And this, the very important part, on the last page we have this QR code. So if you feel really stuck and you don't know how to make this drawing robot, so you can scan this QR code, and this QR code will take you directly to our YouTube page, and on that you can see a sample video how to make a drawing robot using the same given materials. But again, don't look at it right away, first try to build it yourself. But if you're unable to, or if you feel really stuck and confused, then you can go to this QR code, and then it will help you get better idea. Alright, so this is all about this pamphlet, and then you will be able to see these materials. Each material is separately packed, so and each box is separately labeled as well. On this one we have motor, and on this box we have the glue and a battery holder, battery, and you need some magic color pencils. And then we have the paper cup. Paper cup will be the main body of your robot. Then you have googly eyes, some paper sheet. So these are all the materials that you're going to need to build your drawing robot. And then I'll put some sample picture. This is made by one of my previous students. So but again, this is just a sample picture, but you have to build your own robots. So if you want to try this activity, I'm putting the link of Shopee and Lazada, so you can go to that link and you can order yourself directly from Shopee and Lazada. And if you have any questions, you can write that in the comment. Thank you. Bye.